Hi, this video is to show you how to properly open your saxophone case. Now again, this case is different from the one you might have. It is a cloth travel case. You may have a hard plastic case, but the idea is the same. You want to be sure that the top of the case is where you open it. Make sure the bottom is definitely the bottom. As you can see, there's no pockets here, nothing of importance really. But here you can definitely see the extra pocket. This is the top. There's also Velcro, and if you have it right, the Velcro will open up. So when you have the Velcro open up, instrument properly in position and open, you should find your saxophone. Each part of the instrument has its own place. We have the neck, the mouthpiece with mouthpiece cap and ligature. We will go over how to properly put a reed on in another video. And here is the body of the saxophone. This section here is called the bell.
So we're now going to put the saxophone together. The very first thing you need to do, very first thing, is you need a neck strap, which we have right here. Now, we're going to put the neck strap on, and this is a very important thing that you need to practice with your neck strap. In the front of your neck strap, you have these two folds of fabric. In order to bring the tightness up or down, you need to grab these two in the front, oops, my bad, and pull it through and then pull down, and it's tighter now. So again, you're going to put your fingers in between there and pull down or pull up, depending on if it has to go up higher or shorter. I know it sounds simple, but this, just doing that, is very important. So first step is the neck strap. Next, we're going to grab the alto saxophone by the bell and pick it up and snap it into place. So this neck strap has a little hook like this, and we hooked it into place. Next, we're just going to let that hang and feel what it feels like to have a saxophone on you. Next, we're going to take this screw and loosen it, lefty-loosey. We do that in order to get the end cap out. This end cap is designed to protect your octave key. We don't want anything bad happening to this key back here. So we're going to take out the end cap, and we are going to take the neck. We're going to hold it firmly towards the, again, our hands together. So towards the part where it's going to go to the body of the instrument, we're just going to put it in. As you can tell, it's loose right now. Depending on if you're sitting or standing, you're going to wait to tighten that screw until you know it's in the proper position. So I would just add my mouthpiece. Again, we'll be showing you how to put a reed on the saxophone mouthpiece in another video. So just pretend with me. We're going to put the mouthpiece on, hands close together. We're then gonna line it up to your body. So if I'm happy with this, then you would screw this key back in. Alrighty, so now you want to know where your hands go on the saxophone. Again, like many other woodwind videos, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We just label our fingers to help us place them on the saxophone. Starting with our thumbs, we have the thumb hook with your right hand underneath. Your left hand thumb goes on usually black thumb spot. This could be different colors on your saxophone. So now that my thumbs are in place, we're going to go to the front. Again, 1, 2, and 3. Some instruments have different keys in the front, so it might look like this or it might be a different color. The very first key we're going to skip, we're going to do 1. We're going to skip this little baby key, go to 2 and 3. So skip 1, skip 2, 3. It's kind of got a neat little swing to it. Skip 1, skip 2, 3. As for the bottom, there are only 3 keys, so that's 1, 2, 3. Your pinky will be in charge of these keys down here or these keys over here.
To properly hold your saxophone, when you're sitting, you're going to sit on the edge of your seat. Just like the other instruments, you want to straight back and you want to be on the edge of your seat. The saxophone is going to be off to your right side, sort of your hip thigh area over here. You don't want to really rest it there, but you can hold it there. Now, when you stand, it's the same thing. You're just going to stand up. And you may have to adjust the mouthpiece as you stand.
So now that you're done practicing and you're done swapping out your instrument, which we'll show you in a different video, you can properly put your saxophone away. You're going to open up your case. And again, keep it strapped onto you so you can feel nice and secure putting your things away. We're going to start with the mouthpiece, hands close together, twist off. Since I didn't have my ligature on, I'm going to make sure there's no reed, my ligature, then my mouthpiece cap. Next, we're going to loosen this screw so that the neck comes out nice and easily. We're then going to put the end cap back in again to protect the octave key. Once the end cap is in, we're going to tighten this down. And now I'm finally unstrapping from the saxophone. I will then place the saxophone in, then the neck, and the mouthpiece. Your case may have a different outlay, so just put the instrument back depending on your case. Don't forget to zip or latch appropriately.